Hey everyone, this is MC Barber here, and here I have some pictures from my last competition in Paris, France. This is from September 2018, which was last month, where I placed second in the world for the low fade cut. This is my model, and this is me working on it. Just a few pictures to share with you there. But here is the haircut that I've done for that competition. However, it's not on the model that I use, but it's similar style of a haircut. It was a low fade cut. Here also you will see on the end how a haircut can change the shape of the head of the person from the pictures that I posted. Um, First thing that I always do with a client's hair is I damp the hair slightly and I comb the hair in the position that naturally it will fall, and that in particular that will naturally fall into my clipper here, as you can see. I'm using 1.5, as usually it is important when you are creating a hairstyle, especially the hairstyles we are doing today, that you remove the bulk and create a foundation for your hairstyle. And for me personally, the easiest way to do that is using 1.5 and freehanding a little bit there. That way I can save my time and really do my work than my fading from 0 to 1.5 instead of from 0 to whatever the length of the hair is. This way I remove the bulk and I create a foundation for my hairstyle as well. It is important when you are using 1.5 that you go straight up, that you don't do C. If you understand what I mean by C, that you don't like kind of flick your wrist when you remove your the length, the bulk of the hair. Students that come to see me for my classes, they know what I'm talking about. It is extremely important that you guys do hands-on classes. This is really more of demonstration than anything else. You can get an idea how to do a haircut and what steps to take. But really, if you want to be a master barber and if you want to master the craft of barbering and men's hairstyling, you have to do hands-on classes. Listen, me after 18 years and at least 25 trophies, I still do classes, I still have a coach, and I still take advice and tips from different people. But however, I have a coach that I train with regularly. It's very important. Myself, I do offer a 40-hour shadowing class right now. Basically, what it is, you come to my barbershop for a week, 5 days a week, basically from 9 to 5, actually 9 to 6. And you basically watch how I approach every haircut, how I do consultation, how I execute all my techniques, and then on the end of the day you spend about 45 minutes with me asking any questions that you might have, and then throughout the day you set up station right next to me where you practice all the techniques that I do and styles that I do. So it really is very useful program. From my past experience from the students that came to see me so far, I really see how much they benefit, so I really do recommend it. For more information, you can go on my website, mcbarber.com, at educational page. So here, after I did 1.5, I started in the nape area with the open blade. And I started my fade like that, and then I faded down to 0. This was a half open blade all around. Now I'm just working on that line. Even though I used 1.5 to remove the bulk, and then I used half here to start my fade, you see me using 1.5 again. That tells you that not necessarily when I use 1.5 that I cut 1.5. I do a lot of freehanding So even though I'm using one or 1.5, I don't necessarily cut at that length. Depends on the hairstyle I'm doing and the hair, and how I want to approach that particular haircut. Depends on the texture of the hair as well. When the hair is straight and pokey, like this gentleman has, it's a lot easier to do freehanding. When the person has a kind of coarse hair, or more like, let's say, like African American hair, and you are doing a fade, it's actually almost impossible to do freehanding. It's pretty difficult, so it's a lot easier to do on the straight hair, basically. I know I was not regular with my videos lately, but now I am getting back into doing the videos once a week. So look once a week for my video. Please, for any suggestions and comments, feel free. Ask for whatever you like. I'll do my best to cater to all of you guys. Uh, whatever style that you like to see of a particular sports figure or anyone or an actor or so on, just let me know and I'll do my best to explain how to do the haircut to the best of my ability, basically. Uh, Connecticut Barber Expo is coming up in May. It's literally 7 months away, but really the time flies. So if any of you guys would like to be trained by me for that competition, please let me know. You can definitely contact me through my social media. mcbarber.com is my website. MC Barber is my Facebook page. The MC Barber is my Instagram. THEMC Barber is my Instagram. If you like to host one of my shows, my seminars, you can also do that. And for that, you can contact me as well through my social media. Here, once I did my fade, I use my edges, Slimline Pro by Andis. They are zero gap. I create the lines, and then I'll just refresh the lines with my straight edge razor. As well, I have a good news. I just found a location for a Barber Academy. I hope in the near future that I will open a Barber Academy. I started the whole process already. Right now, it's just paperwork and really going through the whole process. It might take a little time, but whoever is interested to study with MC Barber and learn MC Barber system, you can definitely contact me again through my social media, through my website, mcbarber.com, or mctbarber@gmail.com. MC Barber system has 4 categories. We have a scissor category, clipper category, razor category, and styling category. Each category has 8 to 10 techniques. It's comprehensive. It covers all aspects of barbering and hairstyling. And is really a good system. Really, I was very fortunate to work with some of the best in the world throughout my career. Now I'm starting my fade here or my taper from skin. First I did a straight edge razor, and now I'm using my clippers to remove the line. Basically, I used my I'm sorry, my clippers and my edges are all zero gap. Now, this gentleman, his hair, the haircut he got before, this is actually his first time to get a haircut from me. His hair was cut very high on the back, and he has slightly flat crown. His head is kind of flat on the top. So it is important that you do not follow the shape of the head when you are cutting. You have to create a shape that you want. You want to create a full shape. So you will actually see on the end the pictures of before and after, and you will see what I'm talking about, how it was cut before versus now. And this will show you how the hairstyle can actually change the appearance of a person. And any haircut really needs a good finish. How you can make a good haircut look excellent, and you can make an excellent haircut look crazy looking good. So styling is really important. I try to finish every haircut that I do. What I mean by finish is blow dry and style, and also all my barbers in my barber shop do the same. And if you like to work for MC Barber, please submit your resume through my email, mctbarber@gmail.com, or simply contact me through my website or through my email, which is mctbarber.com, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we are coming here towards the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, and also put a thumbs up. I would appreciate that very much. So now you can see how his hair was done before. It was cut high, but now you can see the difference in the haircut here. You can see the back here, and you can see the back. I did my best to connect it, but it was not quite that easy. However, it came out pretty good. That's your taper, and that's your finished look. Okay guys, thank you so much. It's nice to make videos again, nice to share knowledge. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Until next time.